let's delve into how you can run multiple product discounts using a single code. To do this, we will be using the Custom Discount Builder. For this demonstration, we'll set the discount as automatic, although you also have the option to make it a discount code. We'll name this discount Multi-Product Discount, which will serve as our singular discount code. Now, let's say our first rule is that if a customer buys a quantity of 1, we will apply a 50% discount to the hydrogen collection in our store. To add another layer to our discount, we'll create another option. This time, we'll ensure the cart quantity is still 1, but we'll apply a 20% discount to a different collection, the oxygen collection. To distinguish between these two options, we'll name the first one hydrogen discount and the second one oxygen discount. Remember, these option titles are not the discount codes, but rather messages that are displayed when the discount is applied. The actual discount code is the title we created earlier, which applies to both these options. After setting up these discounts, you can adjust other settings or simply save them. Now, let's see these discounts in action on our store. We'll open the hydrogen collection and see if the first discount applies. As you can see, the hydrogen discount is applied. Now, if we open the oxygen collection and add a product to our cart, the oxygen discount applies. Despite the different option titles, if we go to our discount section on Shopify, we see that it's a single discount code that's been created for both product discounts. This is how you can utilize Kite's Custom Discount Builder to run multiple product discounts using a single discount code. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.